Simple Creditor Repair makes it affordable by providing unlimited disputes and deletions for a fraction of the cost. Your credit report is an essential part of your day-to-day life, even if you may not realize it at first. Your credit report is used by credit lenders, home mortgage lenders, insurance. Simple Creditor Repair made affordable. If you have bad credit, then you're not alone. Even if you have a good credit, but you'd like to achieve excellent credit, then this guide is for you. Achieving great credit is not just a one-time fix. It involves learning about how credit works, understand which factors affect your credit score, and how to responsibly use credit. Other credit repair companies charge an average of $300 per deleted item, which can become expensive quickly, considering the average credit report has 11 items that could be removed. Simple Creditor Repair makes it affordable by providing unlimited disputes and deletions for a fraction of the cost. The fastest and most affordable way to raise your credit score right now. Anytime you apply for some form of credit or a loan, someone is checking your credit report. And if you have a low credit score, it's game over. You won't get approved. The good news is that, yes, you can increase your credit score, plus it's not hard, and it won't cost you a fortune. How do I know? Because I've been helping people fix their credit for years. We have helped people achieve their financial goals that allow them to live the life they've always wanted, and to live the life they deserve. So listen carefully, because I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to raise your credit in the quickest, most efficient, and affordable way possible. Why it's important to have good credit. Living with bad credit in today's world can make life extra difficult. You'll be stuck paying higher interest rates, which can cost you thousands of dollars over time. You'll have trouble buying a house or renting an apartment. Even applying to rent an apartment with poor credit means you might be stuck paying an increased amount of rent or a higher security deposit. Having a low credit score can increase your auto insurance premiums, raise your credit card interest rates, or result in being denied for a mortgage. You can fix your own credit. Contrary to popular belief, fixing bad credit doesn't mean you need to hire a professional. If you take the time to learn about credit, you can achieve the same results as professional credit repair companies by doing the work yourself. Simple Creditor Repair makes it affordable by providing unlimited disputes and deletions for a fraction of the cost. Simple Creditor Repair, bit.ly/3vl1ep